There's some silliness going on here with Ryder and Jane and Mayflower and one of the new ones. I forget what they're called now. Oh my gosh, she's gonna step right on Jane? Lord have mercy. Oh, she pushed Mayflower out of the way. Oh, and Jane. Hey now, hey, hey. That's not very nice. There's Mac. Oh, I knew this was going to happen when the tail started wagging. Gandalf! Oh, he likes that. Really, what are you doing? Gandalf, you love rolling in the sawdust. Yeah, you do. So Slider, come here, and here he comes. Hi, honey. How you doing? How you doing? I missed you. I love you. How you doing? Hiyo. I can't reach you from here, but I say hello. Look at this cute little face. Hi, Slider. Who's a cute baby? Who's a cute baby? He says, I'll get close enough. There you go. There you go. You sweet boy. Hiyo. Hiyo, honey. Look how cute he is. He is cute. Hey, Mac is crazy. He was about to eat some tinfoil-y paper. I took it away from him and he kicked me. What's he waiting to kick me again? It's probably been an hour now. Just keep walking, mister. Look at him with his little fancy slippers. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Hello. I think the light is better on this side. Maybe not. There we go. What's up? Hello. Hi, little girl. Oh, you're so cute. Hello. 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 Yeah, he's hillbillying. He's just swaggering along. Blaze! Blaze! Hi. How you doing? He says, yeah. I'm gonna go over here and see what's going on in this barn. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take my little hay with me. He's so funny. Where you going, mister? Latte's either giving Mole kisses or eating some leftover hay out of her fur. We're going to see what's going on here. Mole and Salsa eating. Latte, what are you doing? Oh, she's rooting around. There's probably some food inside there. She says, oh, do you have any food on you, Salsa? You will eat off of you as well. So funny. Hazel's having some morning eating all her. Hey, hi, Miss Hazel. We love you. Look at her. Hi, pretty girl. So cute.